back to the Tonight Show. I'm here with the one and only Heidi Klum, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. And we're about to play a game called Auto Tune Up. Here we go. Here's how it works. We're going to take turns hitting this button, and then we'll select a random, boring paragraph. And our job is to turn it into an awesome song with the help of auto-tune.
Uh-oh.
Are you ready for this?
Yes.
I think it'll be great. All right, I will go first to show you what we're doing. Let's see what I'm auto-tuning. Start the generator, please. A guide to spring break in Daytona Beach, Florida. There's so many things to do in Florida on spring break. All right, here we go.
There are many fun things to do in Daytona Beach during your spring break. You can do some deep sea fishing at a reasonable rate, or learn about space exploration at the Kennedy Space Center. Then unwind with a unique drink at Razzle's nightclub on Seabreeze Boulevard.
No idea.
How are you so good
I had no idea what I said or what was happening. All right, get ready, Heidi. It is your turn. Let's see what's on the generator. Let's start the generator. And you press this whenever you're ready to stop it. And
A negative Amazon review for a dog stroller.
yeah, all right. So someone bought a dog stroller and they
Boy.
posted a negative review. Now you, Heidi Klum, you're gonna make this into a giant hit.
Yes. Horrible stroller. Ooh, horrible stroller. Front wheels won't stay on the ground. They vibrate and wobble, wobble horribly. Do not buy, do not buy, do not buy. My 80-pound Chihuahua hated riding in it. Oh, it did. Oh, it did. It did. It did. It did. It did. You know what the funny thing is?
What?
What the funny thing is, you put this auto-tune on, I sound the same way I always sound.
No, it's not true.
You tricked me!
You sounded like you sung that song or something before. Okay, it is, right? Okay, it's my turn. Let's see what I'm singing. Let's start the generator here. Give me something right now. A list of Baylor University's basketball coaching staff.
Oh, boy.
So this is just a list of Baylor University's coaching staff. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
All right, wish me luck.
Scott Drew, Jerome Tang, Bill Peterson, and John Jacobs, John Todd Field, and finally Alvin Brooks III. I said Alvin Brooks III.
I'm crying a little bit.
I broke a sweat on that one. Okay, our last song. Let's start the generator. Yeah?
I need this thing at home.
I know.
Oh, shoot. Wait.
A YouTube?
A YouTube comment for the Obi-Wan Kenobi trailer.
That's right. So the trailer just came out. This is a comment of the trailer that was just released on YouTube.
Oh! Oh my God, this looks so good. Seeing Ian McGregor as Obi-Wan Kenobi again gave me goosebumps. Been a Star Wars fan my whole life. Disney Plus has been absolutely killing it. Fire emoji, fire emoji, fire emoji, fire emoji. 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 Fire emoji
also, you have the moves as well. That's the champ right there, Heidi Klum. I love you. Her new song, Try Tea with Heidi, is available now.
Hey, hey.